On August 31st, 1886, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck Charleston, South Carolina, causing widespread destruction across the city and surrounding areas. The disaster killed over 60 people and damaged or destroyed thousands of buildings, leaving many residents homeless. The economic impact was significant, with losses estimated at millions of dollars, a massive amount for the time. In response, local authorities organized relief efforts while residents worked together to rebuild. The earthquake also led to a greater awareness of seismic risks in the eastern United States, influencing future construction practices. So this is the 1886 Charleston earthquake. You're watching File of Crisis episode 29. See you in the next one.